Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Stellar XLM. The past meets present. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official crypto growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC, and as far as the wallet is concerned, we've got Decent. You can follow the link in the description box below for discounts, offers, and benefits, folks. Anyways, let's get straight to the point and let's see what's happening with XLM in real time. Any new information from the official handles and the community for us. As you can see, folks, the market is trying to recover after that crash, that drop. I mean, it was insane. I hope that we do not go through that in the next few days or next few weeks, folks, because to be honest, a lot of people were really disappointed because Mr. Donald Trump's news, the crypto strategic reserves, and a lot of things happening in the USA. It was a really friendly environment for this industry, but all of a sudden, the stock market, as you know, that it plummeted, and so did the crypto market as well. So a historic crash again, but let's hope that the market recovers soon. Okay, so let's start with the official handle of Stellar to see what's new, and then we can go on and check out what's happening with the community. Look at this. Companies that operate across geographical borders face unique operational and financial challenges. That's why Bigger turned to the Stellar disbursement platform to send bulk payouts to their workforce in seconds. The best part about Stellar is, folks, the focus on the underserved, the underdeveloped, and those that are truly in need. The Stellar is working for a noble cause to make the financial infrastructure much more inclusive than it already is. This is why they are trying to collaborate with the legacy systems, which we call the past, and Stellar being the future. It is trying to be that bridge. It does not want to totally change or disrupt the already established structure. It just wants to make it better. It wants to optimize it. So yeah, that is what it is doing. Stellar bigger scales globally with efficient payroll on blockchain. Let's see what this is all about. Look at this official website. Okay, payouts on the Stellar network, by the way, global payrolls. About this is Bigger. What is this is Bigger, folks? Bigger is a software development company with a mission to remove barriers for early stage startups to help them achieve their full potential. So basically, this is that help for the startups, for the businesses that are just starting out, obviously, in the nascent phase, in the infancy, in its infancy. It does this by providing tailored software engineering services for early stage startups. Awesome. Making payments really work. Companies that operate across geographical borders face significant operational and financial challenges in paying a global workforce. Here they're talking about global workforce. We cannot even send money or fiat from one area to another without it taking 5 business days. I mean, that is insane how much the world has evolved, and the payment structure is in the same place as it was, folks. So it needs to change, to be honest. Fluctuating currency rates, transacting in multiple foreign currencies, and the manual nature of payroll administration for remote workers create friction for companies like Bigger. So these are the issues which ultimately Stellar wants to resolve. And as these enterprises scale, human resources and treasury managers seek tools that streamline, automate, and reconcile payroll to minimize risk and operational costs. Even a small percentage of fees, folks, it can add up a lot to these costs. And these huge businesses, these big enterprises, they cannot afford it. That's for sure, folks. They want something that is low cost and provide optimal solutions. So the bigger and Australian company providing training and business planning. Okay, so we're concerned with Stellar over here. We are concerned with the solution as to what is Stellar trying to do. Now look at this. Deploying the solution, bigger staff realized they needed a turnkey and intuitive solution to send cross-border bulk payouts to their global workforce. Look at this. This is the keyword over here, bulk payouts. This means that even huge amounts of payouts that people want to send, the institutions, organizations, businesses, they can easily rely on Stellar's use case, Stellar's services. Awesome. Although costly and high-touch manual processing was the reality of Bigger's payroll administration, the release of the open-source Stellar Disbursement Platform, the SDP, enabled staff to quickly deploy an instance. Now look at this. How does it happen? Sending bulk payouts with certainty and transparency in merely seconds, folks. Blockchain is transparent. Blockchain is immutable. Nobody can change it. You know what's happening in the Explorer. You know where the money is going, where what transaction has taken place. So it is totally transparent. It is certain that your amount will reach from point A to point B. You can totally rely on it, and in merely seconds, folks. So look at this. Processes that previously took 8 hours per month over multiple payroll cycles are now completed in minutes, such as reviewing payout amounts to include any withholdings, uploading a single CSV file, and inviting employees to access funds. So this is how huge Stellar is, folks. And you know that these hours, they are huge. As they say that time equals money, and Stellar is trying to save a lot of these businesses money. That's for sure. Scaling the solution as a host. Bigger is the perfect example of a company leveraging open source tools on Stellar in order to make an impact. With minimal help from the SDF, the Stellar Development Foundation, by the way, Bigger implemented the Stellar Disbursement Platform for their contractor payments and on behalf of humanitarian organizations, helping tangibly achieve more equitable access to the global financial system for people across the world. I started this video by saying that Stellar is working for a noble cause. We've seen it collaborate with United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, the UNHCR, the ultimate body for refugees. We've seen it collaborate with UNICEF, different UN bodies, and the ultimate goal is to make this world much more inclusive financially. Tori Samples, by the way, Senior Product Manager, Stellar Development Foundation, and Bigger is trying to make you use the services of Stellar as well. Anyways, let's see what is happening with the community while we're at it, folks. By the way, let's just skim through their official handle as well. Anything new for us, anything interesting, and then we can go on and check what's happening with the community. Look at this. $1 should equal $1, Euro 1 should equal Euro 1, Yen 100 should equal Yen 100, Pound 1 should equal Pound 1, Australian dollar 1 should equal Australian dollar 1. By the way, I think I'm right on all of these signs. So yeah, this is great. On Stellar, they do stable coins with reliable value no matter which currency you choose. It is better on Stellar. Awesome. What is this? You heard P. Volnov. This air is going to be very hot for Stellar. Folks, let's see this video and then we can dive into what the community is saying, because this seems interesting. Ada Wong caught up with Hot DAO's co-founder at Ethereum Denver. So let's see why Stellar can be hot this year, folks.
Ada, I'm here from Stellar Development Foundation. Very excited at ETH Denver to tell you about a new capability on Stellar. I'm here with Peter from Hot Wallet. Hey, Peter.
Hi, Adam. I'm happy to see you.
Me too, me too. So we're going to tell you what's going on. Peter's going to tell you all about what they're doing on Stellar.
Thanks. We are very new on Stellar, first of all. We just got live. And we have a multi-chain wallet, which we try to make chain abstracted. We started like a year ago on Telegram. We grew pretty fast for the last year. We have total more than 30 million wallets created.
Wait, what? Hold on, one more time. That number?
30 million.
30 million wallets.
And we just came to Stellar. Stellar is very new ecosystem for us. Everything just started, like a new DeFi, a new projects, a new things which people can try, new programs for users, and it's like very new world for us. And we just came here. We now fully support Stellar. We support it for like balances, swaps, native integration for bridges. We are gonna launch our own bridging infrastructure so users can, which now on Ton or like Solana, will be seamlessly use Stellar in one transaction. And I believe this is just the beginning. We're cooking a lot of stuff with Stellar community, and we are gonna present a lot of stuff which going on Stellar to hot users. So I believe this year gonna be very hot for Stellar.
I am so excited. I'm so excited about being in.
Let's hope that it is a hot year for XLM, because overall the market is really choppy, really volatile, folks. Let's hope that we get out from this phase soon, although we're seeing a bit of recovery in the market. Yeah, so let's hope that XLM can go and break through these different resistance points. Anyways, every time XLM is dismissed by the masses, it just makes me buy more. Lumen over here says, let's see what the community has to offer, because the community of Stellar is extremely bullish when it comes to anything Stellar. In the end, there will only be utility coins, folks. Where is XLM? Where is Stellar? Yeah, here it is. Fully open source, decentralized protocol for digital currency to fiat money low-cost transfers, which allows cross-border transactions between any pair of currencies. Pardon me. Stellar trying to be that intermediary between different individuals and different businesses. Obviously, Stellar Consensus Protocol, Layer 1, FBA, Turing, incomplete. Just a moment. There was a really interesting post from the Tokenizer as well that inspired the title of this video. I'm going to be sharing that with you in a moment. Ondo's tokenized treasuries on Stellar are set to supercharge XLM. Ondo Stellar collaboration. We've talked about this as well. Look at this. Past meets future. Banca MPS on Ball. Digital sureties. ALGO. We've got BOE testing and implementing Overledger, QNT. These are the projects that we cover, obviously. Shinhan X, SCB cross-border tests, HBAR, HSBC using Ripple custody, XRP, first ever UK EDTA trade with Lloyd's XDC, and then we've got Von der Heid using BIT for CBDC, XLM. I mean, this is awesome. Public DLT for EURB stablecoin. Von der Heid, founded in 1754, acquired by Bitcoin SE. Bitbond, white label tokenization. So these are the utility projects, folks. BIS, Shinhan Bank, HSBC, Lloyd's, MLETR ready trade and hosts Enigio. Awesome projects over here, folks. This is awesome. Let me bookmark this as well as repost this while we're at it. XLM will flip Ethereum, guaranteed. Lumen is guaranteeing this. Are you a believer? 2 more weeks and XLM should take off and put in its high for the cycle. It depends entirely on the market as well, because still BTC is the grandfather of this industry, and at the moment there has been a lot of price manipulation, and this time it was a really bad crash, folks. Before that we saw that price pump and then suddenly dump. If you remember it, after the Trump administration news. I only post based on facts and not hype alone. I'm a fan of Stellar. This crypto crash is not a crash. This is a buying opportunity. Be smart and stay cool. Folks, I agree that we have to remain cool, because to be honest, it has been really difficult to see the charts at the moment. Really bad, even traumatizing for some, those that have lost a lot. But let's hope that we make it with our conviction jams, our conviction holds, and let's hope that Stellar is one of them. It proves out to be a winner in the end. And because, folks, obviously it is one of those that is trying to connect the past with the future, connecting the past with the future, folks. So, what do you guys think about XLM? Do you think that it indeed is that connection between past and future? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.